Hello everyone, Lucia here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to say some colors in Chinese. If you're interested, please go on watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. Okay, let's get started by looking at the pictures here. So who are they? Do you know them? They are Pokémons, right? Okay, so today we are going to find out what colors are they. Okay, let's see the typical one, the classic one, Pikachu. Okay, so the first question is, what color is Pikachu's body? The whole body? What color is the body? What color is it? It's yellow, right? So how to say yellow in Chinese? We say 黄色. Okay, read after me please. 黄色, 黄色, 黄色. Okay, let's look at the first character by its pinyin. Okay, let's read together. 喝, 乌, 昂, 黄. 喝, 乌, 昂, 黄. 喝, 乌, 昂, 黄, 黄. Okay, second one. 思, 恶, 色, 思, 恶, 色, 思, 恶, 色. So all together, 黄色. Okay, means yellow, right? Okay, let's read together again. 黄色, 黄色, 黄色. Okay, let's go back to the question. So what color is Pikachu's body? It's yellow, right? So the answer is 它的身体是黄色的。它的身体是黄色的。它的身体是黄色的。Okay, very good. So a further question for that, what else do you know is yellow? Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section and we can discuss further to find out how to say them in Chinese. Okay, let's move to the second question. What color is Pikachu's cheek? What is color on his face? Cheek here. Okay, what color is it? It's red, right? It's red. So how to say red in Chinese? We say 红色. Okay, read after me please. 红色, 红色, 红色. Okay, let's see the first character. Let's see the pinyin. Okay, let's read together please. 喝, 红, 红. 喝, 红, 红. 喝, 红, 红. Okay, 红. Next one is what we have met before. 思, 恶, 色. 思, 恶, 色. 思, 恶, 色. So together, 红色 means red, right? Let's read together. 红色, 红色, 红色. Okay, very good. Let's go back to the question. So what color is Pikachu's cheek? So we know there's red on his face, right? So we say 他的脸上有红色。他的脸上有红色。他的脸上有红色。Okay, you get that? And another further question for that. Do you like red? Why or why not? If you like, please leave your opinion in the comment section. We can learn how to say that in Chinese later. Okay, let's move to next question. So, what is the color of the tips of Pikachu's ears? The tips? So, what color are the tips? They are black. Okay, black. So, how to say black in Chinese? We say 黑色. Okay, let's read together. 黑色 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 Okay, the pinyin of the first character is H A 黑 H A 黑 H A 黑 Okay, and the second one is what we have met for the third time, right? 四二色四二色四二色黑色 right? Black 黑色 Okay, you may have noticed that this sound or this character has appeared at the end of each color we have learned today, right? So why? Because this character itself means the color. Okay, so this character means color. That's why we got yellow color, red color, black color. So all the Chinese colors ended with this word. Okay, let's read together again. 色 色 色 Okay, it means color, right? Okay. So, and there is another sound that appears at the beginning of each color. 黄色 红色 黑色 They all begin with this sound, this consonant H. Okay, but in Chinese, the H is pronounced like H. H. Okay, let's read together. H. 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 Okay, it's quite different from the sound in English, so maybe you need to pay more attention to that. Okay, that's all the colors for today, and let's do a quick review before we finish this lesson. Okay, let's look at the new figure 8, the Charmander, right? Okay, so the question is about him. What color is a fire on Charmander's tail here? What color are they? And the second question, what color is the Charmander's eyes? Do you know the answer? It's quite easy, eh? The first one, what color is the tail? It's yellow and red. So we say 黄色和红色黄色和红色黄色和红色 Okay, the second question, what color are the eyes? What color are they? They are black, right? How to say black? 黑色黑色黑色 Right? Have you all made them correct? I think so. Okay, as before, there's a little quiz for you at the end of the lesson. So, who else in Pokemon is yellow? And which parts? Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section and we will check together later.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks very much for watching and congratulations on your improvement in Chinese learning. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave your message below. And again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.